In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add videos to Trello. First, open Trello and log into your account. Once you're in, go straight to the board where you want the video to appear. This could be a project board, a content planning board, or any workspace where that file belongs. The important thing is to make sure you're on the correct board before uploading anything, so the video ends up attached to the right task or item. Next, find the card where you want to add the video. If you already know the card, just click on it to open the card details. This is where Trello stores extra information for that specific task, like descriptions, comments, due dates, and attachments. Opening the card is the key step, because videos are added directly inside the card rather than onto the board itself. Once the card details are open, look for the Add section. In that area, click Attachments. This is the option Trello uses for uploading files to a card, including video files. After clicking Attachments, select Choose File. That will open the file browser on your computer so you can look through your saved files. Now, select the video file you already downloaded and want to upload. After you choose the file, Trello will begin attaching it to the card. Depending on the size of the video and your internet speed, this may take a few moments. Larger video files can take a bit longer, so give a second if you don't see it appear instantly. Once the upload finishes, the video will be attached to that Trello card and available inside the card details. That means anyone with access to the board and card can view the attachment there, making it much easier to keep project files organized in one place. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. A quick tip here, before uploading, make sure you've selected the correct version of the video file, especially if you have multiple drafts saved on your device. It also helps to name your video clearly before attaching it, so it's easy to recognize later inside Trello. And if the upload feels slow, that's usually just because video files are larger than normal documents or images. That's it. You've successfully added a video to a Trello card. It's a simple process. Once you know where to click, open your board, open the card, go to Add, choose Attachments, click Choose File, and select your video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.